Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful landing page template in Angular 20, fully responsive and Bootstrap 5. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So first, see the version Angular 20, its latest. And here's the complete template look. See guys, just brilliant. Landing page, fully responsive template. We can navigate via here as well. Each section, the beautiful navigation, the top header with some info, beautiful accordion section. And guys, also you can change the content according to yourself. Video demo, featured section, see, just brilliant. Result section with the numbering, our team section, see the beautiful power effect, pricing, Twitter section, latest news blog section, the beautiful image section, form section, map, and beautiful footer. My friends, let me show you its responsiveness. See guys, the template is fully responsive with toggle nav as well. Will work for all the devices. See friends, just brilliant. Fully responsive template working as well. So guys, if you will have any kind of queries, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog. See, contact page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And friends, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me on your hourly basis. And on my blog, you will get multiple free things for Angular, thousands of admin dashboard, all are free of course, Bootstrap 5 e-commerce template and landing pages as well. See friends. So guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Friends, in the end, I must say, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.